Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. After sharing my last recipe about cooking spicy clams, some friends said it doesn't look that spicy. Well, I'm going to kick it up another notch today. It's the spicy clam Sichuan style, which has spiciness from both the spicy bean paste and dry chili, and also numbness from Sichuan peppercorn. The key seasonings are a handful of dry chili cut into small pieces, a tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn, a tablespoon of minced ginger, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 or 2 scallions cut into small pieces, and of course, the spicy bean paste doubanjiang. We'll be cooking this dish with a different technique. First, we're going to blanch the clams. So boil some water, put the clams in, cook for 2 to 3 minutes to let the clams open. Once the clams are open, drain them, quickly rinse off some of the sand, but don't let the clams cool down too much. Quickly snap off half of the shells. Keep the side that has the meat. This way, the flavor can concentrate the meat much easier. It's also easier to eat as well. To cook the dish, we're going to heat up the wok first. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I know that may not look healthy, but we need those oils to get the spicy flavor over the clams. We'll add 1 tablespoon of spicy bean paste first. Cook it for about 15 seconds to get the salty and spicy flavor, plus the red color out of the spicy bean paste. Then we're going to add the dry chili and Sichuan peppercorn, followed by the minced garlic and ginger. Cook the flavor out of these ingredients for 15 seconds. Then add half the scallion, then the clams. Stir fry everything quickly to make sure all clam meats are covered with the flavored oil. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a little bit MSG to enhance the flavor. Add the rest of the scallions and do the final stir fry. This is a common street food flavor you can find in Sichuan, although it can be much oily in restaurants than home cooking. Hope you will like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.